Yalla, boys, look at the back of your friends. Where are this? You left. Look at the back. Just hide your face. This. Yalla. Hide your face, all of you boys. Who is next to Raksha? Do it properly. Up. Straight. Clarence. Louder. 1, 2, 3, go back. Louder. Stop. Inside. Hands down. All of you be active. Stand it. Where being lazy? Attention. Stand it. Attention. So much passion. Let me see here, all of you. Do it properly. Stand it. Attention. Stand it. Attention. Okay, all of you be ready for national anthem. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Let's go up. Everyone, straight. Take it straight. Inside. Up. Hands up. Hands down. Standing. Attention. Get ready for school song. Okay, be ready, all of you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Cover up, all of you. Inside. Hands up. Make it straight, all of you. Inside. It's down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. This boys up. What's happening to the line of your house? All of you look at the front. Look at the front. All of you look at the front. Boys, yellow. Cobra. All of hands cobra. Inside. Hands down. Okay, now it's time for the speech. So who is candidate to deliver the speech? Please come forward. Louder, properly, clearly.
Namaskar and Bevam, good morning to
A bit
everyone.
loudly.
Okay. Namaskar and Bevam, good morning to everyone. Namaskar and Bevam, good morning to our respected high school sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Tenzin Bonzon. It's standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of importance of book reading. Before starting our topic, I would like to thank the ECA committee of Hong Vidya Sadan, who organized this type of program, which helps to increase the confidence level of the students. Now I'd like to start my speech. Importance of book. Books are one of the most powerful tools in the world. It helps us to explore new ideas and and try out new things. Book reading helps us to book reading helps us to
Prepare next day. You have to do what is this? We are not eager to listen to such type of this. Next one. First. In one. Only one? Yeah, one or two paragraphs. I will clearly. Okay? Find out the best one and
Namaskar and very warm good morning to respected speakers, sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Tejas Kumar Babu, standing in front of you to present today's editorials on the topic of Lumbini Lions begin NPL Season 2 with a win. The Lions, who finished last in the inaugural season with only a win in 7 matches, rose to a life at the start of the second season. Overs the Rhino had posted 136 runs on the board. The former English international now has 404 runs in the NPL. The ones close to him are Sahif Jaif, 328 runs, and Milan Tha, 300 runs. It is to wait and adapt, Bobara said when asked about the reason behind this consistency in the post-match presentation. Starting to hit big from very small delivery does not always go right. By saying this much, I would like to conclude this editorial. Thank you and have a nice day.
Respected principal, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends, as you all know, it's me, Vidas from grade 9, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweetest speech on the topic of natural resources. There are 3 types of natural resources: perpetual natural resources. The natural resources which are found in unlimited amount is called perpetual natural resources. For example, wind energy, sunlight, etc. Renewable source of energy, the natural resources which can be replaced and regenerated found shortly after finished at their place of origin is called renewable source of renewable natural resources. For example, water, soil, etc. Non-renewable source of energy. The natural resources which are found in which cannot the natural resources which cannot be replaced and regenerated in shortly after finished at their place of origin is called non-renewable source of energy. For example, petrol, diesel, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. It's me Dikshan Bhandari from grade 5 here is standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of cow. So without wasting any time, I would like to start my speech. Cow is a farm animal. It is our national animal. Cow gives us milk. Cow milk is good for our health. We can make different things out of cow milk like curd, cheese, etc. Cow milk is good for our health. Cows can live over 25 years. Thank you.
Great day.
Okay, thank you so much, all the speakers who delivered the speech. All of you, once again, check your line and cover up. Everyone, do it properly, cover up. Inside. What happened to the line there? Blue house. You may join other line or maintain there properly. Hands up. Up. Clap hands. Stop. Make your hands up. Straight. What happened to Shreya? What happened to you, Shreya? Up. Inside. Down. Stand at it. Be active. All the houses. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. Okay, for some information, I would like to welcome our respected Vice Principal, sir.
Thank you very much, Vikas sir. Hands cover up, everybody. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Haven't eaten food or what? Attention. Especially students of 8, 9 and 10, they are quite passive. If you level 1000 maths, go back to class 4. Stand at it. Okay, Kararak, what I'm signing this. Attention. Stand at it. Okay. So, your games routine is changed. Earlier there used to be games on Tuesday and Friday. Now there will be on Monday and Tuesday. So Tuesday routine is as it is, and Friday's routine it will be followed on Monday. So students, be careful. And on that day, you can wear house dress. Which class games and sports are there on Monday? They have to wear house dress. So it will be easy to play the games. Not other classes. While playing the games, don't open your house dress here and there. Otherwise it will be exchanged like that of Suik Dital. Suik Dital's jacket is exchanged with somebody. So his parents said that he has managed recently, I think within 1 week before. So please, you check yourself, and if it is not yours, please provide to Suyo and take from Suyo. Today is Friday. No games. It's already mentioned. Tomorrow, exam preparation holiday. Because your unit test begins from Sunday. Sunday altogether there are 3 tests. It will be held on 2nd period, 4th period and 7th period. Just go through the routine. Which subject is first? That will be in 2nd period, second subject in 4th period and last subject on 7th period. That is of Sunday. Monday, there are 2 subjects, Tuesday also 2 subjects. So your test will be conducted on 4th period and 7th period. As usual, first subject on 4th period and second subject on 7th period. You need to practice again and again. Now we don't want to distribute those mark sheets with fail marks. Everybody must deserve better marks. You must solve all the questions. We don't want to see unsolved papers. Again, next week there is one next program, that is picnic. So we are going to organize picnic on 12th of Mangsir, Friday. Notice will be provided to you. Please give it to your parents, and what are the instructions given, you follow it accordingly. Next important thing is, school is the place where we learn good manners, good attitudes, discipline. So your duty is to protect the school property. Generally what we have noticed, we fix something, the very same day they start damaging. Yesterday we have managed those toilets, doors and other things, and there was problem. So from today, at a time only 5 students can go toilet. Girls, boys during tiffin time. Especially almost all they go inside, push each other and damage the thing. You must make line. 5 students they will go. When one comes, next will enter. Make system over there. There are some urinals. There are latrines. Accordingly, you have to go and come. Don't forget to pour water. And don't forget to wash your hands. And nowadays there is assembly system. So after tiffin time, again you have to make line like this. Not nearby your class. It becomes so haphazard. When the bell rings for 5th period, be in line. Your teacher will go to the class, then you follow them in a systematic order. Is that clear or not? Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Inside. Hands down. Studies. So class monitors and vice monitors, I have noticed you are being quite passive. Be active. Make the lines and lead the lines. Is that clear? Attention. Mass time. Okay, Karnali House boys, move forward.